Hello, this is our path planning project we created using MATLAB's GUI. So first we have a button here that connects the hardware to MATLAB, and you can see that it's all connected and good to go. And then we have a button here that we can use to draw a grid and create obstacles for our robot to plan a path around. So we'll make some obstacles. It needs to move around. Then once you have all the obstacles created, you can press Q to save the map. And then we have buttons over here where you can choose to choose the method that is used to plan the path. So we'll use dxform for this path planning. Then we will start at the midpoint and go to one of the outer cells. So you can put in these edit fields the start position you want the robot to begin at and the end position which you want the robot to reach. And then once we click plan path, it'll create a path that moves around these obstacles to get to the endpoint. Now we have a button here which moves the robot to the start position. Then we could click follow your path and the robot will draw on the paper the physical path and avoid the obstacles. And then down here we have some edit fields which show the time to generate the path using the simulation, and then the time to actually draw the path on the hardware. And here we can see that the time to generate path was 25 seconds. And then you can just choose another method real quick. So plan the path for this using the PRM method. You can see here that it chooses a slightly different path based on PRM. And once again, you can choose move to start and follow the path, and the physical robot will follow the path that is created. And here we use the draw line function for PRM to draw straight lines between the points that it wants to travel to. This one usually takes a little bit longer than the others. And then here we can see the path's complete, and it shows the total time it took. So that was our path planning project. Thank you.